Assalamualaikum friends, this is Sadia from scholarship.com. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about Zhejiang Normal University Scholarship for Outstanding International Students. Friends, this is a fully funded scholarship for undergraduate, master's, and PhD programs. The application process for this scholarship is very simple. I will walk you through the step-by-step application process, so stay tuned till the end. Friends, if you want to read about the scholarships in more details, the link of the scholarship is in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification about latest videos on scholarship. With that being said, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about Zhejiang Normal University. As one of the top 100 universities in China, and a key provincial university, Zhejiang Normal University specialized in teaching education with multiple branches of learning. It offers 68 undergraduate programs, 53 master's programs, 28 PhD programs from 20 colleges under the university. Many from these programs are taught in English as well. Outstanding Student Scholarship is launched by Zhejiang Normal University in order to attract more outstanding students to study in their school. Create a favorable and international cultural environment for the campus. Its aims is to constantly improve the university's international reputation as well as encourage foreign students to study hard and get well rounded. Opportunity focus areas. You can click on this link to find all the available programs. You can also get to know about the program period from this list. The deadline for Zhejiang Normal University Scholarship is July 30th. Friends, Zhejiang Normal University Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship which covers the tuition waive, on-campus accommodation, monthly stipend up to 31,000 yuan per year for PhD, 30,000 yuan per year for masters, 22,000 yuan per year for undergraduate, and medical insurance as well. Now, let's talk about eligibility criteria. Required languages are English and Chinese. Eligible countries. All world countries are eligible to apply for this scholarship. Applicants who want to apply for undergraduate program should be under 30-year-old and hold high school diplomas. Applicants who apply for postgraduate program should be under 35 years age and hold bachelor's degree. Plus, 2 recommendation letters are also required. Applicants who apply for PhD program should have 40 years age and hold master's degree certificates and 2 recommendation letters from professors or associate professors. Applicants should be friendly and healthy with foreign nationalities and passports. Applicants should observe discipline and obey laws. Applicants who apply for programs taught in Chinese should provide HSK certificate or other Chinese language proficiency certificates. Applicants who apply for programs taught in English should provide IELTS, TOEFL, or GRE certificates or other English language proficiency certificates. No other scholarships. Now let's discuss the steps to apply for this scholarship. First of all, you have to go to the online official website of the Zhejiang Normal University. The link is provided on our website scholarship.com. You can go to this link and apply online. Next, we will discuss about the documents that are required for the online application process. Photocopy of the passport photo page, foreigner physical examination form completed in English. Photocopy of a valid passport. Successful candidates must choose the same passport as used for applying for the program. Notarized highest education diplomas attained, proof of study, and transcripts. These transcripts should be in English or Chinese. And confirmation of your former school or local diploma department. Studying plans and goals. 2 letters of recommendation from your teachers. Next step is Zhejiang Normal University is responsible for reviewing the qualification of applicants and will select applicants based on the selection process who meet their demand. If being admitted, students should pay 400 yuan as a registration fee. Admission documents including GW202 form and admission notice will be posted to the applicant. Now let's go through this link to know what is required in the online application form. Click here. You have to register yourself from here if you haven't already made your account. Enter username, password, confirm password and your email ID and click on submit. Once registered, the online application portal will be accessible for you. You can click on apply online from this page. First of all, you have to choose your program in which you are going to apply. Bachelor's, master's, doctoral degree or journal scholars. These are the options available. Let's click on master's degree as an example. Click next. You can see the list of master's degree program that are available under Zhejiang Normal University. The college which is providing this degree, the name of the program, the language in which it is going to be taught, tuition fee, entry year, you can say the program period, and you can apply according to your choice. You can also search from this bar for the program in which you are going to apply. For let's, as an example, I'm going to write here software engineering and search. Two options are available under software engineering for master's degree. One is electronic and information and another is software engineering. One is taught in English and another is in Chinese. Now let's click on taught by English course. Apply. Click on apply. First step here is to maintain your profile. You have to upload your photo and give this basic information like family name, given name, nationality, Chinese name if there is any, passport number, expire date, highest degree, mother tongue, date of birth, etc. Click on application and information tab. You can see the program you have chosen from the first page here, and some other information about your language skill, references and grantor, education and employment. Please fill this information according to yourself. Next is document. You have to upload the documents that I have briefly explained in my video, like a valid passport, visa page, highest diploma, transcripts, foreigner physical examination form, and police certificate, no drug addiction statement, bank statement, transfer letter. These are some optional documents too here. After uploading all these documents, now let's click what is in the contact tab. You have to give information about your home address, home country address, current postal address, how to collect the admission notice, and some other information about your family members like your mother, your father, their occupation and etc. That's all, friends. This is very simple process, and in the end you have to review your whole application and click on the submit button. Best of luck from my side. Friends, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also visit our website called scholarshipabroad.com to know about latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.